How to use same Telegram account on two different devices. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily use the same Telegram account on two devices. So let's say this is my second devices and you have already logged in your account on your first device. That is your first Telegram account is already connected to your first device. So let's say this is my second device. So to open my same Telegram account on this device as well, what I can do is simply head over to my Play Store and download, and as well as simply open my Telegram application. And once you're inside here, you will be asked to verify your country and add a phone number. So what you basically do here is you just need to enter the same phone number which you used on your previous devices. So let me just enter that one just like this. So simply click on it, and once you click on yes, just wait for some time for it to confirm. Just make sure your every single detail is same as on the previous account. So, and that is exactly how you can easily log in or use the same Telegram account on your two different devices. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.